Alright.
Yeah man, well you don't know, so this is Al Capone JJ, you know, aka Lyrical Mafia, you know. Yeah man, straight out of Cape Town City, Google it to Kakyad, you know, Kaidich and say, member me I tell you, you know. Yeah man, basically man, we just tell this to the fans, you know. Enough people are waiting for my second album to come out because them not see Al Capone JJ in Europe, is it? So yeah man, we just come back to Berlin, we just have some few shows around, play some shows and we just bust some dub plates and record the album, you know. So right now we just finished the album title After Dark. Hopefully the album will get it out in the next summer, which is in May next year, 2012 May, you know. So to all of the fans them in Europe, to all of the fans them in Africa, them fi stay tuned and stay logged on pan Al Capone JJ. Check me out on Facebook or Google me, you see me as well. Yeah man, so the album got like 18 tracks, you know. We have 3 remixes. We have 1 remix of house music because in South Africa they love house, you know. Then we have another remix of electro dancehall. You don't know say for the white massive them because no white man them love electro, you see me as well. Then we have also techno for the hype hop people because we wanna boss also commercial clubs and things, is it? So yeah man, the album big and large man, the album produced by Alex man, you know, don't know Aldab, you know, One Drop Music, you know, Berlin City, don't know say. And we have additional rhythms from man like Big Finger Josie, you know. We have additional rhythms from man like I Am Freddy. You see me as a? We have man like Blaze, you know, in Cologne. Yeah man, enough producers them up on the thing man, you don't know. So this time it's bigger than No Offense, you know. Remember the first album No Offense it drop off, you know. But me never get time to promote the album because from the time we reach South Africa, I was locked off for some time, you don't know say. So yeah man, we have made this one work, you know. And me give thanks to the man them support I man, you know. Me yell up man like Crosby, you know. The man them believe in I man like Alex, you know. Because you get this time enough people them not believe in certain artists because through things where we are experiencing in life make some people try see in a way that we are criminal or some things like that, is it? So yeah man, me just bless up the whole family still, you know. Me say Cape Town, me say Kakyad, me say Google Earth, is it? Me say Berlin, me say Kreuzberg, you know. Me say Noy Colin, you see me as say? Me say Kingston 11, me say Waterhouse, Moneyville. You see me as say? And the next thing is the next biggest thing, me I just come up with a new magazine, you know. The magazine titled KYD Dancehall Music, you don't know say. See, because the reason why me I come with a magazine, there's enough artists like I underrated, you know. We are trying to push out the work but you not get covered by the media and things, is it? Or you don't have enough money for PA and Bomboclat big magazine, you know. But still me a big up reading magazine, I rap magazine, you know. Because the magazine, me and them are connect, you know. So yeah man, basically KYD magazine is a magazine whereby we are trying to put it out in Europe first, you know, and Jamaica, you know, and check say in Africa still, is it? So basically the magazine me I cover interviews from artists like Bounty Killer, Popcorn, Spragga Benz, you know, and me I try to put out some local artists also because we have enough artists in the ghetto still, man like Crosby, man like Zorro, Daddy Spencer, you know, Jesse Dan, Janet Tafari, you know, Lord Hammond, all them youths, you know, Jack Congo, all of them, you know. So yeah man, basically is why me I come and say, yo, me have to do this thing, you know. Because me as a ghetto artist and me have to give back something back to the ghetto, you know. So if now me can't give back money to the ghetto and because me as a ghetto if me don't have money man, me a strive, you know, for me thing, is it? So me a try put out the magazine now, you know. It's gonna be a big thing man, trust me, the magazine gonna go worldwide, you know. We are trying to put out this magazine as the biggest thing now on the internet, you know. First we are running through the internet and check say how the runnings of it, you don't know say, is it? So after that, me have enough things that come out man, me I try shoot out some couple of videos, you know. Enough interviews that come up, enough bookings that come out for next year, you don't know say, is it? And me give thanks to the Almighty Jah Rastafari, you know, Haile Selassie the first, you know, for this opportunity to bring me back to Europe still because enough things happen in I life, you know. So enough of them never believe in I, you know. And them things say that me just drop asleep like that, you know, but still Jah guide, you know. And them say opportunity comes once in life, but me I say opportunity never come once in life. As long you are live, opportunity is there for you, you know. You just need to hope and pray and step where you feel say is irie for you, you know. And me I send big shout outs to my man like Crosby, DJ Analog, Brethren, member. Me and you where come from far man, you know. Me can't sell out for that, you know. And yeah man, me I big up everybody to support my career man. Man like Fletcher, you know, African Dope, man like John. Because the man them know me long time before me boss, even them first songs, you know. And me a big up man in the ghetto like Selector Lucy, you know. Sagittarius, man like Humphrey, man like Triple Crown, you know. man like Craig David, you know, Ras Dan, you know, all the sound systems in Cape Town, man, even in Joburg, man like Jasid Admiral, you know, Last Born, you know, the whole family, Ras Gray, you know, everybody where big up me music, man, and play me music and make them know, say, me here to take control and me here for me own reason and things, you see me, I say. Yeah, man, me would love to see also enough ghetto youth to make it and go foreign, you know. Yeah, man, because there's enough talent in the ghetto. Is why me I say enough people them underrated because we have enough voices them down there, is it? So yeah, man, we just try push out, you know, because we are the first one to lay the foundation. Because before me, there was enough artists also, you know, them come and we rate them still, you know. We can't diss no man before me, you know. Yeah, man, and give thanks to everybody, man. As me said before, you know, support my career, you know. From I was JJ to be Al Capone JJ, you know. From the man who released my first things, African Dope, man like Fletcher, man like Roach, you know, the whole family, Alex and them, you know. And me big up everybody who support me even the time I changed the name, you know, because after I changed the name, enough complications me go through still, enough man are here still, you don't know, say. But remember, when me say Al Capone, it's not like say me a gangster, me a pussy mafia. Explicit lyrics, trust me, you see me? Yeah, man, don't play, man, you know. Yeah, man, the album large, man, trust me, you know. Check out for Al Capone JJ in the future, man, you know. Yeah, man, we look forward to bust the world still, you know. Yeah, man, enough things are going still, you know. We have a couple of 7 inches coming out in Germany and Europe from different producer. So just Google Al Capone JJ. Yeah, man, big album coming up, you know, after that, you know. Yeah, man, surely must come a light, you know. And big up to my friend them in the ghetto, man, like David Sling, you know. Yeah, man like Mankind, all of them, me true friend them from the ghetto, man, me can't sell it and me can't forget them, you know. And big up to me girl still, you know, and big up to me parents, you know. Yell up to my mother, Nozizo Ngubane, yell up to my father, Armstrong Chakazi. Yeah, man, and yell up to my grandmother, Nana, you know, my brothers and sisters in my yard, man, you know, everybody, you know. Yeah, man, we just do music, man, you know. Yeah, man, nothing of a music me not do, man, you know, you see. So yeah, man, check out for the KYD magazine, you know, dancehall magazine, the first dancehall magazine in South Africa. Trust me, that magazine I go bad, that magazine I'm mad, you know. Alright, make me I give you little thing, you know. Here what go on now. Me did I tell you fi slow down, Scully slow down. Stop talk about you a gone man, Scully. Stop talk about you a gone man. Him used to talk about him big and large, him power with him gunman entourage. After that, them shot him down. Him left him mama eye full of water. What goes up must come down. Surely your time will come. It's not nice when you take a life. Yeah, when me say Cockyard, you know, remember me I tell them say 2012, you know, the biggest thing, you know. Everybody come through, man, you know, and Walla vibes and Walla meds and support the reggae music, you know. Big up to Africa, you know, because Africa is the foundation and Africa is the creation, you know. Big up to Jamaica, big up to Germany, you know. Big up to all of my friends around the world, you know. Yeah, man. Brand new tunes, brand new album, everything big and large, man. Man like Alex, One Drop Music, can't sell up, you know. #1, trust me, you know. Yeah, man, Al Capone JJ, Cape Town, Germany, big. Yeah, man, done, is it.